CellSage is a computational tool that allows science-based evaluation and exploration of battery life cycles over near limitless combinations of aging conditions. This helps battery end users optimize their investment. Battery aging and health can be compared to human health. Stress factors do matter for both. Who do you think would age quicker? Someone carefree living near a beach, or someone climbing mountains with extreme and perhaps dangerous conditions? It really depends on the stress encountered over their path. When it comes to batteries and all their potential aging conditions within each unique application, we'd like to know how stress factors impact the true battery life. Will batteries give good performance and meet their warranty, or fail early? That is exactly where CellSage can help us. A major challenge to the multi-billion-dollar battery industry is the upfront testing that is required. This can involve a high number of long-term experiments with a dizzying number of permutations of conditions, and still, the battery might not be suitably tested for its intended application. Prolonged testing delays market entry and is expensive. CellSage helps overcome this challenge. It is a physics-based modeling platform that can accurately predict battery performance and aging under near limitless conditions. Large-scale simulations can be run to match end-use applications within a battery's operational envelope. This reduces investment risk, reduces time to market, aids in better battery designs, overall saving money while improving long-term performance. CellSage complements a major focus at INL on performance science, which is the ability to connect fundamental scientific metrics and governing relationships to material and system performance. This enables quick deployment of R&D outcomes to accelerate technology commercialization. This focus is greatly needed as battery power finds itself in new or revised applications.